Hello everybody, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to show you how to make your Facebook or your YouTube channel popular, and we find that that is a relevant topic for us, though we much do of coding and programming stuff. But most of people who come on the channel, you might find also they have YouTube channels, so there are things they have to know or to consider when they are making their YouTube channels. So I find out that most of us, there's a lot of things we don't know. If we go to my let me take you to my channel, then I'm gonna show you why we should know some steps I'm gonna give you. I'm gonna come and show you a video which made me to make this video and to realize that we don't make money because we don't know a lot of things. We just upload videos and we think we're gonna get people to watch them and we get money. No, it won't work like that. Look at this video. If I search in how to activate 5G, no, it's gonna be how to activate 5G. Okay, if I take that, I'm number 1 here on the search. You can see, okay, but there's a guy who's number 2. Then you can look at the date. I did put this video 5 months ago, but the date of posting, if you can open this video, you can see the date of posting is it was on the 3rd of December last year, which is 2019, and you can see that I have 3,000 views, but look at my subscribers at 3,000, almost 4,000 subscribers. So I got 3,500 so far. But if we go back and we look at Mr. Number 2 here, we look at him and his video,
demonstration,
you're gonna see what's going on. His video, it has 34,000 views, but he posted it after something like after 26 days. So simply means my video was the first to be there, and it has less, it cannot even match this video in the views. So what went wrong? This guy has only 194 subscribers. Just imagine how much money was he gonna get in this video if his channel was monetized. So I really even commented on his post, and I really recognized him as a guy who knew what he was doing. So one of the reasons were these. You can see this video has a thumbnail, it has the info cards, it has been shared on Twitter. Those 4 things on my video, I did not have them. So I only realized after when I watched this video and say, what's wrong with my video? So, and you know, I could not know why this was happening until when I got a magic tool, which is called, let me check it for you. You can see this code. This tool is called what? Let me get it for you. I wanna click on this tool, then I get it for you. The name, its name. Yeah, it's called Tubebuddy. You see this tool, Tubebuddy. If you install Tubebuddy in your on your browser, it's gonna help you whenever you do, or you need it. It's gonna help you whenever you watch a video. It's gonna show you if this video was optimized well. So the trick was, the guy optimized his video, I did not optimize mine. But after seeing that, it was so painful to see that somebody who just came before you, and also somebody who has less subs, can get more views than you are. So simply means you did not have that information to do what, to optimize your video. So what I did optimize it, and all you can see, Tubebuddy is gonna help you to show that this thumbnail is put. Yes, I did put it. And info cards, I did put them. End screen, I did put them. All these things, don't just take them for granted, so they can make your video go viral. So also shared on Twitter, you must do that. Linked on Facebook, I did that. Captions added, I did that. And also comment pinned, you have to do that. What is this? This is something simple. When somebody clicks or comments on your YouTube, you have to go and see if that comment is relevant to you. Then you have to just click here and say pin. So when you pin that, it's gonna float on the top of the comments. And also this second here, comment hearted, you can go and just click here, then you give it a heart, a red heart. So this means that you really care about your audience, and you come back and also reply or respond to their needs. This is so good to do. So also this thing is something easy. So you know the info cards, I made one of the videos how to put the end screen. You can search into my videos, you're gonna see how to put the end screen. If you don't know that, you should, it's a must, you have to do this. If you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, if you can do this, I'm not going to lie to you, and also you do a quality video, you can make your video go viral. Also do a good heading for your video, and also you must make sure that you put in, okay, if you put in the right tags. If you edit, you go to edit your video, so Tubebuddy is gonna help you to choose also your tags, which relevant tags you have to use. You have to think of your heading, and also you have to come here in the description. Imagine you have 5,000 characters, but you only used 200 and something. So some people even they don't care about this, but you must care about this. Here you have 100. You have to at least make sure that you explain to a person if he reads. And also the YouTube, YouTube gonna come and read all your things and see, okay, this guy is trying to help people. Also you have to explain here, and also go here. If you're using Tubebuddy, you can see how they did put for me these tags. They can put for you these tags. What you do, you just say suggested, you click on suggested. When you click on suggested, it's gonna go and search for tags related to your, because I've done that already, so it's not going to give it to me. So it's gonna go to your title, and also it's gonna go to your description and find something which is relevant to your video. Then if you select, you're gonna be click tick 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 tick. So after that, when you do that, it's gonna insert all those keywords in here. So when somebody is searching, and also YouTube will be to be easier for YouTube to do what, to do that for you. The end screen here, I taught you in another video how to do that. You just click here and also put the end screen. Also you have to click here to put the info cards. Yeah, so those one of the basics you have to be using, because they won't cost you any money. Another thing, you don't forget the thumbnail. If you have to do your YouTube, you must have your thumbnail, and it's easy. But most people, when they're using Linux, they find it a little bit difficult or challenging to do a thumbnail. You have to download a tool called GIMP. This is the thing I'm using. Then you just put your thumbnail, and your video is gonna be fine. So once you follow that, don't neglect to post your video on Facebook. Don't neglect to post your video on your WhatsApp status. Don't neglect to put your video on Twitter. Everywhere you can put, then your video can work well. I'm sure you are convinced after seeing somebody has 100 and something subscribers, where he got 30,000 views, and someone who has 4,000 subscribers doing the same video, getting less than that, almost 10 times less than that what he did. But now we realized that was the mistake we made, so we're not going to do that mistake anymore. Guys, please, if you have any question, please leave it in the comment box below. Don't forget to share our content, and also if you're doing a video, please don't forget to ask people to subscribe to your channel, because sometimes it happens like you can do a video which can help somebody, but if you don't remind them to do what, to subscribe to your channel, they will never, some of them they won't, some they will, some they get excited and they do subscribe on the video, some they do not after watching the video, they just leave and go. But if you tell them in the video, please subscribe on my video, they will subscribe on the video if they find that the content was so relevant. Guys, if you find this video so helpful to you, please do not forget to subscribe, and don't forget this to install. Firstly, install this tool called Tubebuddy. It's gonna be here whenever you go to any video on YouTube. It's gonna show you. For instance, I'm gonna go to any video, random video here on YouTube. Maybe I'm gonna click on this video for Kim, and I pause this. So if I pause, you're gonna see what's gonna go on. You can see Tubebuddy is gonna show you the channel. This channel I've visited, it has 2.8 million views on the only on this what video, and the second, and the entire channel is sitting on 10 million. And also you can see it has 5,000 comments and 4.9 k likes. So it's gonna give you all the information about the video, and also about the channel, or the channel. So most of people, they don't know this tool, but it's a very good tool. There's also a free version which I'm using, and also there's a paid version. You can use a free version as long as you don't have money to pay, but if you have money to pay, I think it's better to pay for that. Then you're gonna see good results. Guys, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe on the video, and I'll see you in the next video.